Hi, my name is Jonathan, and this is Zoe, and I work in the operations department at FixnZip.
And I'm Ray. I'm the president and CEO of FixnZip.
Today we're going to be talking to you about the different types of zippers and how you can repair those zippers using our product.
We found there's not a lot of information out there about zippers, and so we want to introduce you to the various styles of zippers today. There's the open-ended zipper, the closed-end zipper, and the invisible zipper. And we want to show you how our product, the FixnZip, can fix those zippers because it's a universal product that works on all those applications.
So to demonstrate how to fix those zippers, we'll be using a jacket, a sleeping bag, and a tent.
Have you ever been out camping and have the zipper on your sleeping bag break? That's really frustrating. This is my daughter Andrea's sleeping bag, and it's been sitting on my closet for 4 years because the zipper broke on it while she was on a trip. And I'm too cheap to throw it away, and it's very expensive to go to a seamstress to have it fixed. And so it sat there until I found the FixnZip. This is an open-ended zipper, and it's not permanently closed at the end. And just like on a jacket, you have to attach the two zipper sides in order to zip it up. To use the FixnZip replacement slider, you simply loosen the thumb screw and place 1/2 of it over the zipper, and then tighten it down. You place it right at the box. And I would suggest you tighten it all the way down till it's tight. And then when you get it completely tight, back it off about 1/4 of a turn. If it's too loose, it won't pull the teeth together. If it's too tight, you won't be able to use the slider. Then insert the pin from the other side of the zipper track into the zipper slider. And now you're ready to start zipping. And there we go. One of the unique things about the FixnZip is that it has a place for a pull on both sides. Therefore, when you're in your sleeping bag at night and you're cold, you don't have to get out to unzip it. You can simply use the inside pull. Now, one thing that happens is sometimes you get a fabric caught in your zipper, and that's so frustrating. Now you don't have to tear your object. You just simply loosen the FixnZip up, pull the fabric out, and tighten it down again, and begin to zip. And there you go. It's simple and easy to fix your zipper.
The other nice thing about the thumb screw design is that it allows the FixnZip to work on a range of sizes, whereas other zipper repair products work on just one size. So that same FixnZip we use to repair the sleeping bag can be used to repair this tent. This tent uses what we call a closed-end zipper, and by that I mean it's permanently closed at the end. It's sewn together. Now the FixnZip will work on a closed-end zipper, it just requires a few alternative steps as opposed to if you were putting it on a jacket. Now the FixnZip will actually start anywhere on a zipper track, but we're going to start with it right up here. Again, the nice thing about a FixnZip is you can have pulls on both sides so you can zip from inside or outside the tent. So we're going to loosen the thumb screw, but this time we're going to slide both ends of the zipper track into the FixnZip slider. Once you have both ends, screw down the FixnZip. As you can see, both sides are inside the zipper slider. Now back it up to the beginning. Screw down the thumb screw all the way, loosen about 1/4 of a turn, and then pull. Sometimes once you get started on a closed-end zipper, you'll want to tighten down the thumb screw just a little bit more because it gets loose as it starts. If the zipper comes unattached, back it up, tighten down the thumb screw just a little bit, and then use your thumb and index finger to squeeze behind the slider as you pull. And the FixnZip works on a closed-end zipper.
Most people can easily spot the difference between an open-ended and a closed-end zipper, but there's one variation that's a little bit harder to detect, and that's an invisible zipper.
Invisible zippers are found on a lot of outdoor gear and jackets. They're designed to keep water out and also to protect the zipper coils. They're pretty much the same thing as a standard zipper, except they turn it upside down. What do I mean by that? Here, I'll show you on these two jackets. Now this jacket uses a standard zipper coil. As you can see, the coils are fully exposed. Whereas on this jacket, using an invisible zipper, you can barely see the zipper coils in there. That's because the zipper coils have been turned upside down. Now if you look inside this jacket, the coils are fully exposed. Now the FixnZip will work on an invisible zipper, but just like the zipper coils, it has to be turned upside down. Now normally, the zipper pull is on top of the FixnZip, but since we're going to be turning it over, I'm going to take the key ring off and attach it to the slot on the bottom. Now attaching this is just like putting it on any regular jacket. We'll loosen the thumb screw, place it over one row of zipper teeth, tighten it down all the way, loosen about a quarter turn, and there you have it. The FixnZip works on invisible zippers.
We've shown you just a few of the ways that the universal FixnZip can repair a broken zipper. If you'd like to purchase one, go to our website at FixnZip.com. We hope this has been helpful for you.
For more information on all things zippers, including zipper sizes, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Be sure to hit us up on Facebook at facebook.com/FixnZip. See you next time.